Hey, two basic terms each programmer should know about to differentiate between the old style of programming and the new style of programming, which are imperative and declarative. So what is the difference between them? Imperative is when you tell the program what to do and how exactly to do. An example of that, we have original list is coming from somewhere, it doesn't make difference. Here is the list. Second one, I would like to filter this list and remove all the zeros or less than one. So I'm creating a list, empty list to store my filtered list inside. Step 2, I'm going to loop through the list and filter it. Here is the loop, and here is step 3, the check and the filter. Here is step 4, I'm filling in the empty list. Here is step 5, I'm just using the list whatever how I'm using it after filtering it. Let's run it to see. Here it is, original list, and the new list is filtered already. Second one is declarative. We have the same example exactly. List coming from somewhere. We need to declare empty list to put the filtered in. We just create stream from this list. Then we filter the list as we would like. We collect the results. Then we use the filtered list as we would like to use. And if we run it, we will have the same exact result. Here it is. So once more, the difference between imperative and declarative is that imperative you tell the program what to do and how exactly to do. Declarative you tell the program what to do, but you don't care about how the program is doing that for you. So that's it.